Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to 40 knots and small hail, located along a line extending from near Bloody Point Light to Gunston Hall, moving southeast at 30 knots. Locations impacted include Choptank River, James Island, Solomon's Island, Sharps Island Light, Calvert Cliffs, Goose's Reef Buoy, Taylor's Island, McBay Buoy, Cove Point Natural Gas Pier, Tilghman Island, St. Leonard Creek, Cuckoo Creek, Black Walnut Point, and Drum Point. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. for southern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters.